Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, thanks. As we grow old, our skin starts to show signs of aging. It starts losing its natural elasticity, which leads to sagging. Sagging of skin is a natural process and is irreversible, but it can be reduced and delayed. Often, people opt for cosmetic surgeries that are very costly and have side effects. Fortunately, there are some home remedies to tighten skin. They are simple and easy and also work effectively to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Before we delve into the home remedy for skin tightening, let us understand the reasons your skin become loose and saggy. What causes the skin to become loose and saggy? Sagging skin is one of the main signs of aging and is most prominently seen on the face. Wrinkles and furrows are the first signs you see as you age. Slowly, your skin starts to sag from your cheeks, nose, chin, neck, arms, and other places on your body. The main causes of this are as follows. With age, the collagen synthesis in the skin becomes slower, causing the skin to lose its elasticity and sag. The connective tissue in the skin that supports various cartilages and bones weakens with age. The fat that was once evenly distributed beneath the skin and holding it up starts to lose volume and forms clumps. These clumps begin to sag due to gravity. Here is an effective home remedy for skin tightening. Fish oil for skin tightening. You will need fish oil capsules. What you have to do: 1. Puncture the capsules and apply the oil present inside on your skin. 2. Massage for a couple of minutes. 3. You can either leave the oil on overnight or wash it off after an hour. You can also ingest a fish oil capsule every day. How often you should do this? Repeat this every day before going to bed. Why this works? Fish oil contains plenty of omega fatty acids that nourish and hydrate the skin. The blood circulation to the skin is enhanced, and this impacts the cell renewal capacity of the skin. Your skin will soon become taut and glow. Caution: do not use this remedy if you are allergic to fish and fish products.